All right, now I'm gonna do a more close-up video of the part of the house we plan to keep, so that we can look at this later and figure out what we need to do. There's that corner is gonna need to be replaced. This part we're doing some. There's up in the ceiling. There. Get this.
There's your crowbar.
Where?
Hanging there.
I walked around the outside of the house. I'm like, I bet it's hanging here somewhere. I looked back there.
I hung it there earlier.
I'm like, I bet it's just hanging here somewhere. I stared at the walls. I looked all back through here. Nope, didn't look there.
That's all on video, just so you know.
Probably good that this wasn't right there. I would have walked into it. Feels like I just leave it here.
Yeah. I don't know where you would use it next.
Hold on, all this, we gotta get this one down. This is the one that we really, that I was hoping to get through. We gotta get that out of there, get that ceiling down.
If we had Chuck Norris, just jump up there and kick it down.
It would have already fallen down when we looked at it.
This one isn't going to be as much fun for people to watch. It doesn't have commentary.
Well, that's no good.
This one is just for this is for us to look back on or show other people what all the kind of the state of all of the wood, and just remember what we're trying to build onto.
With that crowbar, you wouldn't even have to get on a ladder. You could just fall on those rails.
I don't know where the flat crowbar went. The little short crowbar.
Yeah, hopefully it's in a.
Sit in one of the back.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah.
All right, I think I got most of this so that we could remind ourselves what's going on.
So we've got a big air intake here.
Yeah,
But so is there what's sitting on?